When Ryan bought his new house, this rototiller was in the shed. Now, he said it doesn't run, so we're going to see. Looks like somebody tried to rototill a bunch of roots and things, so we'll have to take a look and see what's going on the inside. First thing I got to do is get it out of the truck. And it's a fine day for doing that because it's raining cats and dogs. So it has a primer, and that's good. Well, I got the information off of it. Now I'm gonna do some looking on it and see what I can find out about what kind of parts it might need and availability. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.